All right, so welcome to my home tour today. This is in the city of Weston, and I need you to be with me. I have this great property prepared for you. So don't take my word for it. Look at the property and just let me know if you want to come and tour it with me, because it's just incredible. Let me show you what I'm talking about. For instance, this is where it's located, and this beautiful, beautiful street is called Chenille, okay? And this wonderful two-story is waiting for you if you want to come see it. If you're looking for a property here in the city of Weston, I have the perfect house for you. I just want to show you around because it is different when you come and see the property, I'm sure, but I want to give you the glimpse of how everything looks like and the potential this property has. So, welcome to Chenille Circle. So this model home is very spacious. Look at this. So what we have right here when we access the property is, of course, over there is the second story. This is the staircase, so obviously is divided here. But in here is like more of the formal setting of the house. This is the street in front. This is the more formal setting of the house. Right here is where the dining and living room will go. Right? Most of these models have a kind of a bar setting in here. They did a great job putting storage for your china, for your, all those things that you use for dinner. So the space is really, really, really great. This is a super cool space because it's big, pretty big, or we still have materials in here, but this will be the pantry. I mean, like an extension of the pantry, if you will. Now, look at that. So that's the little access, so you understand. This has a little access to what we saw already. So coming back, this is what the family room would look like. Isn't that big? I'll leave the kitchen for a little later. So right here, instead of having an enclosed room, what they did is they add those French doors. Very pretty. This can be a playroom, this can be an office. Of course, this can be a guest room because it's got the closet also for your visitors. And you have an incredible view. I just want you to notice how bright this property is and how private. Moving on, they did a little bar in here instead, which is even better than having that in the dining room area. This is the bathroom the downstairs bathroom, which is the guest bathroom, and also it will work as a cabana bathroom if you were to build a pool, or for your guests. if they're using this bedroom, so they can shower and do everything here downstairs. Laundry. See how spacious this place is? The laundry. You have something here where you can put like a little, how you call it, sink. If you like to have some water, kind of thing to wash your clothes. Normally, I'd love to have that in there for the little things. So this is the view from here. We have this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful kitchen. Space for the bar stools. You have a little nook in here where you can put a dinette table for breakfast and enjoy this peaceful setting, this beautiful setting that you have here in the kitchen. I love the quartz. You see, it's got these little lines of gold, which makes it very like high-end. It looks great. All appliances are new. I love this remodel. I love it. And I love that the ovens are wall ovens. That's super convenient. I mean, even me, I feel like cooking in this kitchen, so imagine how pretty this is. But you know what? It's so spacious, so bright, so welcoming. This is like a party house. Now, come with me, let's check the second story. So in here we had that one bedroom, right? And one full bathroom. What we're gonna see upstairs is the rest. Look at this panel, pretty cool. So it's not dangerous for kids, it's not glass, which normally is what they put. This model is very particular because in here, this model is super particular. Actually, is really nice because it has this room here. As you can see, is pretty spacious, and it's a suite itself. It has its own bathroom, and the remodel they did on this property was very cute. Look at this, like a little farm door. See that? It's really pretty. All the mirrors in the bathrooms are just like that, smart mirrors that you can heat up if you use very hot water. Features are great, amazing. I really like this house. I mean the model, the space, and of course what they did to the property. Look how pretty it is outside. All right, so this is bedroom number 2, including the one that we saw downstairs. Right there is the air conditioner unit number 1. We have a little closet here, more like a linen closet, but hey, every single space helps when you have so many things in the house. So again, air conditioner, and this house has an attic here, which is added bonus. I don't know how big it is, if you can actually put things in there, but hey, why not? This is, look, floors throughout. This is like a very shiny porcelain. Shower heads, incredible. This one has a tub. Kids love tubs. I guess they were thinking about, like, if this bathroom will be used for these 2 bedrooms, which most likely will be kids' bedrooms. So that is perfect for, for them. Now, the size of these bedrooms is just good, amazing, really, really nice. Double closets. And the view of these 2 is to the backyard, which is ginormous. Ginormous. So this will be bedroom number 4, but bedroom number 3 from upstairs. So same size as the other one, same view, double closet. I just want to give you the idea of how spacious the rooms are. House is so bright, so welcoming. Okay, so in this little door we have the second air conditioner unit. Normally when you have a 2-story home, you have 2 air conditioners to save some electricity. And this room is the primary room, okay? So I want you to see, this is like extra space. You actually have enough room. I mean, that's for the TV, they say, right? Or dresser, I don't know. But you have enough space in the middle to put your bed, right? And the nightstands will be under each of the windows. So it's just for you to picture how big the space is. Closets are a dream come true. All California closets, super well done. And this color, which I love, you see, is like a that gray, like that you don't see the dirt. It looks very nice and slick. That was keys. Now we go to hers. Ooh, this one is big. I really love it. Closets are my favorite. So you have 2. See, small one and the big one. Now, are you ready for this bathroom? Wow. Storage, tub. Check this out. And I love what they did with the walls. You see, again, it's like I'm sorry, I'm not the professional on tiles, but to me this looks like a porcelain, like very high-end porcelain, shiny. Everything was covered. All the walls covered by the same material and also the floors. So it looks so well, so clean and easy to clean, which is fantastic. So all the shower heads are consistent throughout the house. A little niche in here, you have a window. I'm going to show you the view from the window while you shower. Look at that. Just really, really great space. So this is it for the second store. This is it for the second floor. Oh, let me show you the view from here. And this is the backyard. So private. And that house is 1 story, so I'll show you more when we see the backyard, okay? Again, getting out of here, I just want you to feel the space from the second floor. Look. And if I look down, isn't this beautiful? Look at that staircase and the railing. Let's go see the backyard. So after looking at all the house inside, I'm super excited to go see the backyard. Let's go. It looks really, really nice. And the day today, you guys have no idea. It's just like the perfect day. It is, let me see, 70 degrees. And look at the sky. Oh wow, it's just incredible. So this house, it's got the biggest backyard ever. Let me show you right now what I'm talking about. What do you think? So listen, this is where the kitchen is located, right? So right here is where I show you that little space, that little nook for dinette. What if you extend that little place and add a pergola? Then you have a double door there and you'll be using this outdoor space like it's like your own personal retreat. Just notice that kids don't have school today and it's so peaceful, so nice and pretty. It's just incredible. This house has so many good features. For instance, the roof is new, and again, like you just saw that most of the property, like I guess the whole thing, has been upgraded. And let me know your thoughts about this beautiful property. Ciao!